Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com, making this a small video recapping the week from I think it's 10th October till 14th October. Okay, so let's get started. This is just my website. If you want to subscribe, you can come here in the front page. You have the buttons here. You can subscribe with the PayPal or credit card, whatever. All right, so let's get started here. This is Pound Aussie 20-minute chart trade, which is on the October 10th. They are all taken by the setups, the Magic IB system setups, and this one went down a lot more, but I couldn't save the chart because I'll show you the Pound Aussie, what really happened to Pound Aussie. This is also 10th October 10th. 20-minute chart Euro USD. You can see it's just going down, and SL at break even plus. These are all entries. I didn't take them, but I'm showing you that the system give you the entries. Some of them I took, but not all of them. So when you analyze and then you see that the pair is going down, you don't take long. You just take wherever it gives you the short setup. You just take short. Okay, so this is how it is. And this one is obviously Euro USD going down, the USD franc going up. You take a long on that. This is the entry. The first entry was, I took it, but it went up a little bit and then came down, gave me probably -6, -7. Then the second one, gone all the way. This is Pound USD 20-minute on the 11th, and this one you can see, the entry was here, and then there is another good entry, but this one is by the book, beautiful entry again, but I was in from all the way from the top, so no need to take the other entry or whatever. So it's all the way down 260 pip plus. It's even more than that. It's 280. You can see right around here. It's probably like oh, no, not here. My entry is here, so it's probably more than 24. So let's say 24, and this is 21.21. So it's almost 79. So 279 pip. Okay. And all right. So this is on the 11th, and then another one, pound yen. Also, the pound was in big trouble then, right? So all those, pound Aussie, pound USD, and pound yen, and I did not spare any one of them. Once you know what's happening, what is happening to individual currency, you can really take some really good trades. So this is the 11th, the pound Aussie, 250 pip. You can see the entry, and then gone all the way. Okay, so this is now on the 12th, Euro Aussie. I'm just have the date when I recorded the chart. Some of those are open early. This is 12, but this probably the entry was on 11, something like that. Okay, but I closed. I recorded the chart on the 12th, so that's what the dates are. But you can see this is two entries. One I closed early, and then the other one let go, and it went down pretty nice. Why Euro Aussie was going down, I'll show you at the end. On the 13th October, you can see Euro USD again. This was the entry over there, and taken out. Then close the trade with profit, and then again on the next day it went up, retraced, and then give me the entry again, and this one went down pretty far. Okay, and you can see, here we go. So this is on 40-minute chart, and this is the entry, and all the way to around 200 pip. And this one, pound Aussie, also same scenario, same thing. You can see this entry here and Euro Aussie, and then pound Aussie. Same look-alike, right? And why is that? I'll show you. So they both went down. Pound was as it is, very weak, so went down. Euro Aussie also down. So both have a common factor, Aussie dollar, right, on the right hand side. And when the right hand side currency gets weaker, the pair goes up. When the right hand side currency gets stronger, the pair goes down. So here in this case, Aussie dollar was getting strong, and I caught it at the beginning of the week. Okay, watch the next chart. This was the chart. Okay, this is Aussie index chart, and this is my magic IV system, and this gives you clearly that the price is above the wave, is very nicely going up, making higher highs, so it is bullish. And then you have a setup, the bullish setup here, right, going up. So I said from here to here it's gonna go, and if it goes there, okay, then it will show on the chart definitely, right? You get the short entries on your Aussie, pound Aussie, and then you get long entries on Aussie yen, because Aussie there is on the left hand side. You will get long entry on Aussie USD. Okay, so this is how it is. The watching index is very, very profitable. And this is what I teach in my webinars, to find these where to find these indexes, and download on your MT4, and then with the help of IB system you can clearly see what's really happening. And not only 40-minute chart, but I also have the templates and the charts set up, and I even give you all of that, like a monthly chart and weekly chart and all that. Okay, that gives me all these horizontal. I see the weekly low, I got it from 5205. This is a very, very key number. So if we break that, we go up. That's what the idea was. Look what happened to this chart. This is the end of the week. So went up, came down, went up, came down. But here's the beautiful entry. These are the so entries, and then it went up all the way. This is the move that gives me 200 pip in pound Aussie and 200 pip in euro Aussie to the downside. This is the strength. This is the strength in Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar got stronger, and the euro Aussie, pound Aussie went down. And then if you go and look at the chart, I didn't trade, but if you go and look at the Aussie USD and Aussie yen, they probably went up. They definitely went up. They have to go to the upside, because if the Aussie getting strong, if it is left hand side, those pairs, any Aussie pair where Aussie is on the left hand side would have gone up. Okay, on the right hand side, all those pairs would be going down. So you don't want to mess around with too many entries or too many pairs at the same time. Me, it's just if I have two good entries, that's it. I don't want to take any, and even if I see the setups, I'd rather not. Maybe sometimes three at the same time. That's it. 2, 3. If you open too many trades, then it is very hard to manage them. Okay. So this is how it is, and let me show you one more thing that I want to show. That so pound Aussie, for example, what really happened to pound Aussie all these months. This is my chart, the 24th March. I made this chart that we gotta go from here to here. This is a butterfly pattern, but see, I didn't write here butterfly because the conventional way to play those butterfly and all those patterns, harmonic patterns, once they finish. My creative way is that I don't wait for this pattern to finish. I pinpoint where the C point is, because from C to D is always very big distance, especially in butterfly and crab type of pattern. Okay, so why waste all these pips, right? So this is what happened to pound Aussie. I saw this one, and then I said, okay, if this is what it is, then I should be getting short setups on my Magic Ivy system, obviously, right? If it is going to go down. So start looking at it. Okay, this is the pound Aussie. 2 days later, 26. That was 24. 26, the pair went bearish, and then this was an entry, but I didn't take this one. I took this one, and then start going down. God knows where it went. But just keep looking at this chart. Okay, so start pulling back from there, and then you will now see all short. Only couple of them long, and I'll show you why. But most of them are like all short entries and then short trades. Look at this short all the way down, short down. Okay, and what's happening in this pair? See, look now and these are few trades. I did a lot of them, but recorded only few that what I'm showing. So now we came down to this level. This is a big level, you can see, right? 97, 91.78. So the bounce is imminent. So whenever the price goes, even if it need to go down, this is how it will make waves. Because if you have a big level, you will see a reaction. Okay, so we got a reaction here, and I took advantage of that to the long side. You can see these pairs, and this is showing the same. I think the same trade was on, or the second entry, God knows, but it went up there, and it went up to the big level M, and this is around the Brexit about to happen. So what happened at the Brexit? This pair went down crashing, right? And so this was trade was closed here, and watch this. This is what happened. Brexit, my short entry here, and it went all the way down without any problem. And I didn't have those in those days. I didn't have time to, um, like do any of those, saving charts and recording charts and all that. I was full completely. Okay, so look at this. From all the way down, coming beautifully, and this is the July. And look at this is October now. July, August, September. I don't know. I don't know. I'm having uh, different account and different computers, so I don't know where those other charts are. But look at this one. This is the 6th October. This current month. This was the another one, which the other day the pound got like very very weak because of some comments from the Prime Minister May. She did it, and I had this entry already. So this went down crazy to the downside. And look at this, what happened, from there, start dropping big time. And this was my final target. Remember, in the beginning, I showed you this is the butterfly pattern. Target was 127, this one. So because of that, it came all the way down. Okay, look at that. Okay, it's 4, 5, 600 pip drop, that was right. And I was in not only in pound Aussie but pound USD as well. This chart you will see pound Aussie. I was there on the 7th October. This is one of the trade. I did several trades. Pound Aussie 20-minute on the 10th. Well, this is the 10th of October. Yeah, I just showed you already this one. And then this is pound Aussie on the 14th. And, the 200 pip drop from here to here. And this is the final chart that we have on pound Aussie. So this is what happened to pound Aussie from here to here. You can see I predicted this move from here 02, 87, then we came back to 58. So it's more than, this is like 42 here, and a couple of 44, 45, 4,500, 40,400, 4,500 pips drop from there to there. I predicted on only this pair, and it went down. And all these months I've been shorting, and even on Friday, you see, actually the entry was on Thursday, closed on Friday for 200 pips, another trade. And I have this chart even for showing even further to the downside. Okay, so if we break this low, we're gonna go down more. So this is what happened. Anything else? No, not real. So this is how. Um, this was all this drop, the last drop on Euro USD and not Euro USD, sorry, Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie is because of this index. So it is very important to index. I watch Euro index, Pound index, Aussie index, Yen index, USD index, all of them. Okay, and they give me a very very good indication that what is going to happen with individual currency, and according to that, if, let's say for example, if yen somehow you get a setup that okay, it's gonna get strong. So if it's yen getting strong, you have almost 8 pairs that has yen on the right hand side. Yen getting strong, all those 8 pairs will be dropping. Okay, then you will have a situation of pick and choose. Which one is dropping fast? Which one is dropping slow? You know, and then you look on the other currencies as well. Which one is really weak against the yen at the time, and that will drop faster. So you just short that pair. Okay, so I have all these index covered. When you subscribe, I'll give you the templates. Okay, the templates, for example, let me show you if I have anything here open. I have gold open, for example. Let's see, gold monthly. So this is well, let me show you the weekly chart. See, this is the gold weekly chart Or for example, this one, what is happening here, the highs and lows and this and that. How do I do my analysis? So what I do is I save the template, right? And then the template I'll give it to. Uh, this is silver. Forget about that. I send out all these templates to the subscriber. So what you can do is that you can save the template here into the template, and then open the chart for that currency pair, and then apply the template, and you will have exact chart as mine, monthly chart, weekly chart, and these 4-hour charts or any other trade setup chart. So you will have it for the rest of the week. And I also do live webinar every other day, and I explain all these charts and possible moves. Okay, um, so that you can take advantage of that. And also you have when you subscribe, you have hundreds of videos. All my webinars are recorded and uploaded on my website. So once you become a member, you'll have the access for that room. You can go and you can watch. There are literally hundreds of videos, 600-700 videos. You can watch from the recent one, the what happened and what not, and how we are trading, and what are the setup look like. Training videos are also there. How to take entries from 20-minute chart and 40-minute charts, what to look for, and all that. So when you subscribe, I give you all the indicators needed to open these kind of charts. See, this is my magic IB alarm. When the setup is ready, the alarm starts beeping. It's an EA. I made an alarm. Okay. So if once the setup is ready, it will start beeping. So you don't have to stick to the computer all the time. You can put this EA on the 40-minute chart and 20-minute chart. Any chart, have the setup ready, and it will beep. Okay. So this is it. If you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, just go on my website. It's probably here. This is my website. Okay, myforexmagicwave.com, and then you can just go and simply subscribe and be a part of it and start learning how to trade like this. Okay, you can see these. It's amazing this how accurate these candles are, and they give you very very accurate entries. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.